Hello students, welcome back again to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, this is your subject teacher of maths and today I am here with a addition fact from chapter number 2, addition up to 10 from your textbook. So my dear students, in our previous video or in our earlier videos, I explained you or I discussed you about the addition fact of 8 and 9. So students, I hope you understood that addition facts of 8 and 9. So today I am here, we are here to discuss about addition facts of 10. So let's get started. So now open page number 24 and let's come to the addition fact of 10. So students, here in first line there are 10 blue dots. So students, and 0 other color dots. So students, when we add 10 plus 0 we get the sum 10. Now in next there are 9 blue dot and 1 pink dot. So students, here when we add 9 plus 1 we get the sum 10. So students, in the given blank you have to fill here 10. Okay, now in next there are 8 blue dots and 2 pink dots. So students, when we add 8 with 2, or we can say that 8 plus 2 equals to 10. So you have to fill this in the given blank. And now in next there are 7 blue dot plus 3 pink dot. So 7 plus 3 equals to 10. So this was the sum of 7 plus 3. Now the next one, there are 6 blue dot plus 4 green dot equals to 10. So you have to fill this. In next one there are 5 blue dot plus 5 pink dot. So 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So you have to write here 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Okay, now in next one there are 4 blue dot plus 6 pink dot equals to 10. You have to write this in this blank. Okay, 4 plus 6 equals to 10. Now in next 3 blue dot plus 7 pink dot equals to 10. So you have to fill this the given blank here. 3 plus 7 equals to 10. Now next one, 2 blue dot plus 8 pink dot equals to 10. You have to fill here 2 plus 8 equals to 10. Now next 1 blue dot plus 9 orange dot equals to 10. So what you have to fill here, 1 plus 9 equals to 10. At last here 10 pink dots are given. So here 0 blue dot plus 10 pink dot equals to 10. So you have to write here 0 plus 10 equals to 10. Now the addition fact of 10 is completed. Let's come to the question number B. So here we have to add the numbers on the oranges. Draw a line to put each one in the correct basket. So students, here we have to add the numbers that is given on the oranges, and then we have to draw a line to put each in the correct basket. So let's do the first one. Look here. At first orange, the number is 4 plus 4. So students, when we add 4 with 4, we get the number 8. So here we have to match like this. So the first one is already done for you. The next one is 4 plus 5. So students, add 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 equals to 9. So here you have to match this orange with this basket. Now 5 plus 0. So students, when we add 5 and 0, what we get? We get the sum 5. So we have to match this orange with this basket. Here 5 is written. Now the next one, 7 plus 2. So students, when we add 7 and 2, we get the number 9. So here you have to draw a line to this basket. Okay. Now the next one. The next one is 3 plus 5. So students, when we add 3 and 5, we get the number 8. So here we have to match this orange with this basket. Here it is written. Now the next one, 9 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 equals to 10. So we have to draw a line from here to here. The next one, 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 equals to 6. We have to draw a line here. Okay. Now the next one, 7 plus 3. So students, 7 plus 3 equals to 10. You have to draw a line here. Now the next one, 2 plus 3. So students, when we add a number 2 and 3, we get the sum 5. So we have to match or draw a line here. The next one, 3 plus 3. So students, 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So you have to draw a line from here to here. So I hope you understood this exercise. Now let's come to the question number C. Circle the addition fact of the number that Clucky is holding. So students, look here. This is a Clucky and C is holding a number 6, 7, 8 and 9. So students, here you have to circle the addition fact of these number. Okay. So let's do the first one. So students, look here, the first one, 6 plus 1. So students, when we add 6 and 1, we get the sum 7. So 7 is not an addition fact of 6. Now let's move on to the next. 2 plus 4. So students, when we add 2 and 4, we get the sum 6. So this is the addition fact of 6 and you have to circle this. Okay, so the first one is already done for you. Now let's move on to the next one. In second, Clucky hold a number 7. So students, let's look at the clues. 2 plus 5. So students, when we add 2 and 5, we get the number 7. So we have to circle the number 2 plus 5. We get the sum 7. Okay. Now the next number is 8. So students, here Clucky hold a number 8. So let's do this. The first one is 6 plus 5, 1. So students, let's add 6 and 1. So when we add 6 and 1, we get the sum 7. And 7 is not a addition fact. 6 plus 1 equals to 7 is not addition fact of 8. In next, 8 plus 0. So students, when we add 8 plus 0, we get the sum 8. So 8 plus 0 is equal to 8 is the addition fact of 8. So here we have to circle this one. Okay. Now in next, Clucky holds a number 9. So let's look at the first clue. 3 plus 6. So students, when we add a number 3 and 6, we get sum 9. So 3 plus 6 equals to 9. So here 3 plus 6 is the addition factor of 9. So you have to circle 3 plus 6. Okay. Now this exercise is completed. The remaining topic, vertical addition, we will do in our next video. So my dear students, I hope you understood all this topic very well by the help of this video. Now you have to practice this in your notebook, and you have to complete your book and notebook. Don't forget to do all the homework and assignment that is given during your live classes. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Keep learning and keep practicing and keep smiling. Thank you students. Bye and take care.